It's strawberry season again, and we are about to make one cheat meal for this week. We're making chocolate strawberry or strawberries coated in chocolate. We need four ingredients to make this: water, baking soda, strawberries, and any kind of chocolate. I have taken milk chocolate. You already know which it is, but no free branding. So you can take any baking soda. I've added 2 tablespoons of baking soda into this water. Now I'll be adding all these strawberries into this. Eating seasonal fruits and vegetables isn't about the nostalgia or traditional idea. It's basically rooted in nutrition science, environmental balance, and human biology. When compared to aesthetic or trending produce, seasonal foods offer deeper, long-term benefits that often gets overlooked in the age of social media driven food choices. Instead of this, you can also replace it with the dark chocolate, which has more cocoa content. Since I was craving for milk chocolate, I have used this, but usually I don't eat milk chocolate. I usually eat a lot of dark chocolate, which is also really good for your weight loss. Now I'll be melting this chocolate. Chocolates are melted now. Now we'll be cutting the strawberries. Nature designs food for the seasons that we are in. Seasonal produce grows in harmony with the climate, soil, sunlight, and temperature of that time of the year. Because of this, it naturally supports the body's needs during the season. Summer fruits like watermelon, cucumber, berries are high in water and electrolytes, helping the body cool down and stay hydrated. Strawberries and chocolate is ready. We're going to be using this tumbler and adding our strawberries to this. Now let's add chocolate to this. In winter, we get vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, greens, which are richer in complex carbohydrates, antioxidants, and minerals that support immunity and warmth. And in the monsoon produce often contains antimicrobial and gut supporting properties, helping the body fight infections common in that season. The chocolate is all here and it's kind of too liquidy. Maybe I put a lot of milk into this. I shouldn't have, but oh god, I can't wait to taste this. Let's mix all the chocolate. Oh, I can't see any strawberries. That is cool, but oh god. We are back and we have chocolate strawberries. I just put a lot of milk so it became very liquidy, which I don't like, but okay, whatever. Mm, doesn't look good, but okay. Mm, it's good. It's so good. Just wish the chocolate was more thicker so it would sit, but I'm just trying to eat it that way. So good. Worth it. Worth a cheat meal. I'll finish this and I'll come back. Good morning. We'll be doing our face massage right now. So I have my laptop here. Watch me. For today's massage, I'm using 100% pure sea buckthorn oil. This is one I actually sourced from a wholesale bulk organic supplier, but I listed a few below that I love. And you do not need a lot of oil when performing a facial massage on yourself, just a few drops, and again, pressing it into the complexion. With your index finger knuckles
Gently glide them from the nasolabial folds to the top of the ear. Always moving upwards and out. If you wake with puffy cheeks, under eyes, and bags, try these moves to naturally drain the skin of toxins. To naturally sculpt the cheekbones, try this move. The skin around the orbital is very thin, so this area tends to show wrinkles early on. Crow's feet or smile lines are very common. Here are a few moves that I do to smooth out the fine lines. And remembering always to gently move upwards, using the most delicate ring finger to do so. And for a little tension relief, I like to end this with a scalp massage. Repeat this massage once a week, and I promise you, you will see such amazing results.